thought that this would be a really cute, fun video to do for you guys. I have been into the Yeezy Boost, I guess, within the past year or so, since starting to date my significant other, who is obsessed with them, has like a crazy shoe addiction. So he kind of got me onto this shoe addiction as well. The reason why I wanted to do an unboxing of the clay colored Yeezys is because I just feel like they are a very super cute. They're a little bit more to me on the feminine side just because of like their color, and I just think that they're beautiful, so I wanted to share them with you guys. As we can see, this is the typical 350 Yeezy Boost box that they come in. I am size 5, so a few of these shoes I've purchased, I have been either a size 5 or 5.5. This is what the inside looks like. And they are true to their name. They are definitely a Yeezy clay type of color, and I think these are absolutely beautiful. So there are different sizes, obviously, for different countries. The UK 4.5, US 5. I don't really know what those other countries stand for, so I'm not even going to attempt to try to tell you what those other country sizings are. I am size 5, and these fit comfortably for my foot size. In normal women's shoes, I am a size 6.5 to 7. So if that helps any of my girls out there that are around that same shoe size, 5 should fit you perfectly if you are a 6.5 or 7. If you're closer to more of the 7 to 7.5 size shoe, I would go up to the 5.5 or possibly 6, depending on how much room you want in your shoe. I like my shoes to be like a little bit more on the snug side, so these definitely give me that like snug, comfortable, tight fit. I don't like very like loose fitting shoes. Excuse my son, he is right here, and if you hear those little baby sounds in the background, that is my son. So yeah, these are the Yeezy 350 Boost in clay. They were released a few weeks ago. I don't remember the exact date of when these were released, but I have heard a few different people that told me that they think the only way that they were able to purchase Yeezy shoes were on a third-party site after they were released, and that is 100% not true. You can follow popular social media sites like Yeezy Mafia or Yeezy Supply or Adidas. Similar to any hyped up makeup release or hyped up movie release, these shoes are the same way. You will go to those sites and they will let you know when certain ones will be released. Typically give you a season or a month, so you just have to kind of keep up to date on that site and see when the shoes will be released. You can go online that morning and you're typically put in like a waiting room when they're initially released. They pull you out of that waiting room and then you're able to purchase your shoes if they are still available. Sizes do go quickly, and you are only allowed to purchase 1 pair of shoes per person. So if you're a house with multiple people in it, then I would suggest you all get on your computers, iPads, or phone devices if you want multiple pairs or different pairs for different people in your family. This line in particular did come out with the infant size, the teen size, and the adult size. We did try to purchase the infant size for our son, and we were not successful because they sold out very quickly. So we will probably have to resort to a third-party site to get his size, just because I think these are super cute, and I would just love to have a family photo of us all in these together matching. I'm absolutely loving this color. Very cute, very versatile, extremely comfortable, and I feel like they are worth the price that you paid for them. I highly recommend them if you're in the market for a good pair of sneakers. Alright guys, that's it for my video today. I do hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!